Hi guys, I am back with another YouTube video. In this video, I will be showing you how to go about using DocuSign to get your contract signed, to send them to your sellers. I'm just going to give you a start to finish of how to use the system. I've had someone ask me that in the comments, so I'm going to go ahead and cover it for you all. Make sure you leave me comments so I can answer your question in video form. If not, I will go ahead and reply down below. We are currently on DocuSign's website. When you type in DocuSign and you click on their link on Google, it will take you to their home page. And this is what their home page looks like. It's going to show you a page where you can register. It says you can e-sign for free for 30 days. Now, a lot of people ask me, is there a free e-sign website, or can I e-sign for free? Some of these e-signing platforms like DocuSign will give you a 30-day free trial, or will give you a free trial so you can test out their website. I think PandaDoc also does a free trial as well. If you do not have the money, guys, take advantage of the free trials that they do have. Try to get as much people under contract as possible. Make sure your numbers are right, because you only have a certain amount of time, especially if you do not have any money to get started for real. So what you want to do is go ahead and create you a account and type in your first and last name, your email address, your phone number. If you do not really have a phone number, use a Google Voice number. You can set it up on your laptop and then press get started. You do not have to have a credit card to get started, or a debit card, any type of bank card. Just go ahead and get started, guys. What you want to do is you want to click on start now. It's going to ask you to upload a document or upload your file here. So after this loads up, you want to scroll down. It's a little bit different than how it was a couple months ago. You can say I'm the only signer if you are the only person signing this document. But if you're not and you need your seller to sign, or you need somebody else to sign, you want to go ahead and fill out both people right here that you're sending a document to. So I went ahead and entered my name here, my email address. I'm going to click on add receipt. Just for the tutorial, I'm going to be sending it to myself, so I am the seller in this case and I am the buyer. But if it was a real scenario and this was a seller and a buyer, your name always goes first. You want the document first, and then you want to send it to your buyer. After you have put in all of the names that you want to send the document to, you're going to go ahead and click next. It's asking what would you like to do. It says assign to. And then you get to pick the person that you want to assign a document to. You're going to click confirm. So in this case, the pretty girl is the seller and the other pretty girl is the buyer. Of course, the yellow fields would be the yellow person that you assign the document to. The blue field will be the other person that you assign the document to. So wherever you see yellow, that's where, example, the seller would be. And wherever you see blue, that's where the buyer would be. DocuSign is very easy to edit. All you have to do is click the text box to begin to edit the document. It says this agreement is made, and today is the 9th. I'm going to put 9th, and of course it shows over here on the right side, date of. In the text box, I'm going to say November. $2022. Between the seller I don't know why it's asking for the social, guys, but do not ever put your social on a purchase agreement or any type of document, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and put the buyer, but all you're doing is filling out the page all the way down, like filling out the purchase agreement thoroughly. The street address, earnest money deposit, your cash to seller at closing, existing loans. You put everything in here. And then at the end, to sign, you want to come on the left side and click signatures. You want to drag the seller signature. You want to then drag the buyer signature. Now what all I did was switch people up here. You're going to click on the person's name, and then you're going to drag what you want them to do. or where you want them to sign. If you want them to initial, the buyer to initial somewhere, you drag the initial over. If you would like to date the page with the buyer's date, and then you put the seller's date, we want to have the dates on every paper that you sign. So make sure if it's not on your purchase agreement that you do put it on your purchase agreement. But all you do is fill out the page thoroughly. If you want them to have their name somewhere, you drag their name. If you want them to put their email, you drag the email to where you want to put them. If it comes time to, like, you have check boxes up here, we can add a check box where it says like earnest money deposit. We can put like a check box here or something like that. You can go ahead and check it. But you can do a lot of things with DocuSign. We can go ahead and send our documents over. After we send our documents over, it's going to tell us you sent your first envelope. So now, just to double check that you have actually sent that, you will come over here and see that you have 4 sends left for that month. Another thing that will happen directly after you hit send is it will give you a notification to your email address of the document that you sent. So as soon as you hit send, it actually sent your documents to the seller and the buyer. But since you are first, or whichever order you have, it's only going to send it to you or that person first, and then it will come to you second. So make sure, I always make sure that I send a document to myself first before I send it to my buyer. So guys, that was a brief tutorial on DocuSign, how to send your DocuSign and upload the file, get your e-signatures. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join the family, like, comment, and share, and I will see you all in my next video.